At first we are going to draw a hexagonal shape. Okay, so we have three cerebral arteries. In front, anterior cerebral artery, two anterior cerebral artery, then in middle cerebral artery, and in posterior two posterior cerebral artery. Okay, and those posterior cerebral artery forms from basilar artery. This is the basilar artery. From base, this artery is called basilar artery, and in this basilar artery formed from vertebral artery. So these are the two vertebral artery. Okay, and so this is a anterior cerebral artery, this is the posterior cerebral artery, this is middle cerebral artery, this is basilar artery, and it is vertebral artery. Okay, so middle cerebral artery, here this part is called internal carotid artery. Okay, so this is internal carotid artery, and this is both those are anterior cerebral artery, and the anterior cerebral artery both are communicating through this artery is called anterior communicating artery. Okay, and this is internal carotid artery, and this is internal carotid artery, and this is posterior cerebral artery. So this part is called posterior communicating artery. So it is also called posterior communicating artery, and this is anterior communicating artery. So the circle of Willis formed by this is posterior cerebral artery, posterior communicating artery, internal carotid artery, anterior cerebral artery, and this is anterior communicating artery, and this is called circle of Willis. Okay, so here is a important part is this middle cerebral artery do not part in the formation of circle of Willis. It is formed by internal carotid artery. So this internal carotid artery takes part to form this circle of Willis.